So now we are taking our LED housing assembly. We've added two M5 by 8 screws to each of the corners. We are going to put this into the top until it fits flat. Slide it all the way to the left and then tighten the screws for a firm assembly. So now that we've fastened our display assembly mount to the frame, we're going to take our assembly. We can remove the plastic covering here, and we are going to take 4 M3 by 5 screws, place the assembly carefully into the slot. So now we are going to take our two filament holder assemblies. We are going to install them on top of the printer here. Tighten after you've there, and the second one approximately this distance apart. Now we're going to take our filament holder, the final part, place it inside, and then screw the nuts towards the inner end of your filament holder like this, and tighten until secure.